Hi guys, so today we are visiting the Thirumalai Nayaka Palace Madurai. About 1.5 kilometers from the Meenakshi temple, this place was built in 1636 by the king Thirumalai Nayaka, who had the vision of creating a masterpiece for royal stay. It was designed as a residence for the king by an Italian architect. This palace is a must visit for history lovers and those who love to explore architectural fitness of bygone eras. The Surga Vilasam, constructed entirely of brick and mortar without the support of a single girder, is a marvel of Indo-Sasanic architectural style. Among the other striking features of the palace are the massive white pillars, several of which line the corridor that runs along the courtyard, connected by high decorated arches. Currently, only a few parts of the palace has remained. Most of the parts of this magnificent palace was destroyed and taken away during various reigns. With changing times, this palace was built with truncated brickwork with polished textures of the palace, which came from the use of chinam, which is a combination of shell lime with egg white. This palace is known for its majestic pillars with heights about 82 feet and width about almost 19 feet. As you enter the palace through its grand gates, you will reach a central hall with many massive pillars. This central courtyard has a circular shaped garden, which is one of the major attractions here. Along with the courtyard of the dancing hall of the palace is also worth exploring. Swarga Vilasam and Ranga Vilasam are two major sections in Thirumalai Nayaka Palace. These two sections comprise of royal residence, quarters of workers, auditorium, religious places, ponds and gardens, queen's harem, etc. Swarga Vilasam, or the celestial pavilion, was used to be the throne room. One can also see a decorated throne of Nayak king. It has also been arcaded octagon which is covered by a dome of 70 feet, which is supported by huge columns of circular shape and stone ribs. These columns are linked by arches in an arcaded gallery. You can see a lot of stoneworking artifacts and sculptures in this museum. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you could learn something new from this. And so goodbye and hope to see you in the next video.